Hey everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so together we can strengthen our families one meal at a time. And today we are going to do that by learning how to cook corn on the cob in the Instant Pot. Let's get started. I'd like to give you 5 tips on how to buy fresh corn on the cob. 1. Buy the freshest corn that you can get. Purchase from farm stands or farmers markets if possible because it was most likely picked recently. 2. Choose the ones that have the stems that are still moist because this tells you that it was fresh and it's not dried out. 3. Look for little brown holes in the husks, especially towards the top. Those are wormholes and you probably want to avoid that one. 4. Feel the kernels through the husks and you want to make sure that they are plump and plentiful. If you feel holes where the kernels should be, then just choose another ear. 5. Check the color of the husks. If it's bright green and tightly wrapped against the cob, then the corn is fresh. The fresher the corn, the sweeter it will taste. Peel the corn husks away from the kernels and then break off the leaves and the silks down at the base of the corn. I like to take the corn and rinse it under some water to wash away some of the extra silk. When I was a kid, my grandpa had a farm and grew corn. I have fond memories of going to his farm and picking the corn. Neighbors have motorcycles, which make it very difficult to film because now you all hear the sound of a motorcycle. My husband would love to have a motorcycle. Again. I have fond memories of going to his farm, picking the corn and taking it home and eating his fresh corn. We would shuck corn for what felt like hours, and my mom would cook up the corn and cut it off the cob and then freeze it. We loved having his corn all year round. Did you ever get put in charge of husking all of the corn as a child? Remove the lid from the Instant Pot and add in 1.5 cups of water. Place the ears of corn into the pot and then put the lid back on and make sure the steam release handle is turned to sealing. Pressure cook the corn on high for 3 minutes. When the timer goes off, you're going to do a quick release, which means turn the handle to venting and let the steam come out. Be careful not to burn yourself in the process.
No, Michael, no! Touch the handle. If it's hot, there could be a fire in the hallway. What does warm mean?
Oh my gosh.
When the float valve drops, that means there's no more pressure and you can open the lid. Using tongs, remove the corn from the pot and place it on a platter. The corn is now ready for you to slather on some butter, salt and pepper, and dig in. Check out this video right over here where I show you how to make some delicious cream corn that would be perfect to make with this fresh corn on the cob. We will see you over there.